Okay, so I'll try to explain it in a very simple way. Suppose a person has the problem and the dialysis should be carried out. Then what they do, blood from that person is taken out through his blood vessel. Blood is taken out through a tube. It is a special kind of tube. Blood is taken out and that tube is passed through a chamber. Suppose this is that chamber. Okay, this is that chamber. Now, this is the blood vessel. This is the tube. Okay. Blood vessel. Now it is not the completely blood vessel. From the blood vessel, blood is taken out. Now this is the tube. This tube is specialized with a membrane. Okay. It can be considered as selectively permeable membrane. Now this chamber, outside this tube, it contains dialyzing fluid. It contains dialyzing fluid. Now here it is blood plus urea. I'll mention blood plus urea. Okay, the nitrogenous waste. As it passes through this chamber, the membrane of this tube is such that, as I mentioned, it's a selectively permeable membrane. Okay, only urea will pass out of this. Urea will pass out of this through this membrane into the dialyzing fluid, and that dialyzing fluid circulates. So it removes, as the urea comes into that, it removes. Now, by the time blood flows like this, and it comes out, here it is only blood. Urea is eliminated here itself. Now this blood is again made to introduce into the body of patient. This is what we call dialysis. This is a simple concept of dialysis or artificial kidney. One thing. Second one, if in the extreme cases where kidney went totally failed, where kidney cannot work at all, we go for transplantation of kidney. We go for transplantation of kidney. Or kidney transplantation, which is one of the major surgery. So what they do, kidney from a donor is taken out and it is fixed into the body of the patient. We have two kidney, we can donate one kidney. We can donate one kidney and another kidney can perform the normal function. Now there are some conditions. It's not that take anybody's kidney and transplant. The tissue should match. The first preference is for the blood relations. The best way, because every time when we go for kidney transplantation, it will not be a successful surgery. In many cases, body rejects, because this kidney we have taken from other person is a foreign kidney. So body rejects that. So we should make the body to accept it. So the first preference we go for, if at all they are twins. It has been seen in the research, in case of twins, the success rate is very high. If not from brother or sister, blood relation. If not from mother or father, like this. And even if that is not available, then we go for kidney of other person of the same blood group. So like this, the kidney can be transplanted. Once the kidney is transplanted, then obviously our body will reject. Our body has immune system. Our body starts rejecting that. Then to come over that, we use an immunosuppressive agent called as cyclosporin A. Immunosuppressive agent. Okay, so this injection should be given, or this should be introduced into the body continuously. This is about transplantation of kidney. Then about kidney stone, we hear about kidney stone. What exactly kidney stone is? Okay, what exactly kidney stone is? Actually, kidney stone really is not a stone, it's a salt. The formation of salt takes place either inside the kidney or in the ureter. Which salt? Generally it is calcium oxalate. Calcium. The name of the salt is calcium. Formation of calcium oxalate takes place in the ureter or in the kidney. But how it forms, exactly the information is not available. Okay, so exact information is not available. What is the reason for formation of this kidney stone? But the best way, drink lots of water. Okay, so the person who is drinking lots of water generally won't suffer from this problem. If at all the stone is formed, the pain there will be, okay, it's a, what do you call, you cannot tolerate that pain, okay, much painful. But you need not worry, the stone can be removed by different modern technique. One of the technique is the lithotripsy. Lithotripsy. In lithotripsy, lithotripter is inserted from the urethra. Through urethra it is inserted, and those crystals, or you call stones, are crushed into powder, maybe by using laser light. And when it turns into powder, it comes out of the body along with the urine. Very minor surgery. But when this occurs, it's very, very painful. So this is what we call the formation of kidney stone.